Hi, this is Ram Gopal Verma, Chartered Accountant Insurance Surveyor. Now, it has been noticed that insurance companies they issue insurance policies for two different purposes. Under a normal case, whenever there is a theft has taken place, and it is a all this policy, insurance companies will cover a case of theft also. Now the question arises: what does a theft means? Now, it is a case where there is no forcible entry, there is no crime, no compulsion to surrender the goods. There is no revolver has been done, no revolver has been put on his head, no gun has been put, and the key has not been taken by forcibly by using a gun, and there is no breaking of doors, locks, and all that. In spite of that, a theft has taken place, a loss has taken place. Such a case is called as a theft. A theft is covered under section 379 and 380 of IPC in the Criminal Act. Now, in such a case, insurance company can entertain such a claim if a all this policy has been given to the insured. That is, for example, in case of a jewelry, for example, a jewelry you are having and you are going to some place, a loss has taken place. In such a case, suppose there is no forcible entry, no nothing, and a loss has taken place. So, insurance company will cover such a loss. That even if it is, and you do not know how the loss is taken, there is no breaking of doors and locks and all that. So it is a simple case of theft. Now, in case of a factory, for example, some thief has entered into the factory and he has silently stolen certain goods without breaking the doors or without breaking anything. That is a case of theft. Now, insurance companies do not normally issue all this policy to everybody except in case of jewelry, or say except in case of certain cases in a jeweler shop, for example, they can say it is all this policy. So in such a case, a theft or without forcible entry or without force is enough to consider a claim by the insurance company. Section 380 or 379 has been applied. It can be more than enough in case and only in case a policy has been issued for all risk policy. And in case it is not an all risk policy, it is a simple insurance policy. In such a case of theft is not covered in the policy. Now, right now in this discussion, we are using only the term a case of theft without forcible entry. It is covered in case a all risk policy has been issued by the insurance company and not otherwise. Thank you very much. Now, this is covered in my book, the Insure and Be Secure book. It is completely detailed, so one can read through the book. Thank you very much. This is Ram Gopal Verma.